Hey, 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 look at me, look at me. Can you hear me? Hey, 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 Marika, please, 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 can you hear me? Please, can you hear me? Marika. Oh, hey, hey. Oh. Wait. Marika! Marika! Marika!
Why did you do that?
I'll let you know when I figure that out.
And now, the retribution of Warlord Ian Friend.
It's an alien invasion! Calm down, Jessa! If anyone knows what's going on, it's Florence the White!
Fear not, children. It is the prophecy coming.
Go to your happy place. Go to your happy place. I don't want to die a virgin.
Tell the world what happened here today.
Why? Why?
Sit down. Don't make this any harder than it needs to be. I got this.
Thanos might be weaker than him technically at like strength level, like he can bench less.
Yeah.
But the way Thanos fought was like precise,
Yeah.
and he
Yeah.
knew like the pressure
He
points.
pressure pointed him.
Dude,
He pressure pointed him
which
hard.
is awesome.
Yeah.
So here's Hulk's superpower. I'm gonna try to define it. The Hulk literally gets stronger the angrier he gets.
Yeah.
It's
That's why you
related
gotta
to
knock
his
him out.
anger.
Yeah.
So like he could theoretically continue to just get madder and madder and madder and madder, and he has no limit to his strength. That's why the big conflict with the Hulk is you got to get him to calm down. Sun's coming down. Sun's coming down, big guy. It's okay. Sun's coming down, and then he grabs Thor and smashes
So
him. into the
we're
thing.
assuming then that these strengths come with the baggage.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
That's
Ready?
a fun one.
Yep.